Tired of juggling different cards and want to simplify your spending? Adding a second bank account to your Apple Pay is the perfect solution, giving you more flexibility and control over your finances. Let's dive in. First, unlock your iPhone and tap on the settings icon. Once you're in settings, scroll down until you find Wallet and Apple Pay and tap on it. Now, you'll see an overview of your current cards and payment methods. To add a new bank account, tap on the Add Card option. On the next screen, choose debit or credit card as the type of card you want to add. Your iPhone will prompt you to scan your debit card using the camera. Position your card within the frame on the screen, and the details will automatically be captured. If scanning doesn't work, you can manually enter your card details. Enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure all the information is correct before proceeding. Next, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions. Read through them carefully and tap on Agree to continue. Your bank will need to verify your card. This usually involves a text message or email with a verification code. Follow the instructions on the screen and enter the verification code when prompted. And that's it. Your second bank account is now successfully added to your Apple Pay wallet. You can now choose between your accounts when making purchases. Enjoy the convenience of managing your finances with multiple bank accounts in your Apple Pay. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.